In this video, we will be setting up an adjustable conveyor-to-conveyor side transfer gate system. For this video, you will need the tools shown here: a hacksaw, level, 13mm wrench, 1/4-inch hex key, and a non-permanent marker. We will be mounting the side transfer plate and setting up our adjustable gates to carry our containers across the gap between two conveyors. To begin setting up a side transfer system, the two conveyors should be positioned like this. They should be flowing in one direction and placed side by side. A conveyor will always flow towards the motor, shown here. Each conveyor should be level to one another as well. We will now mount the side transfer plate in the mounting slot closest to the end of the conveyor, shown here. Each side transfer plate features two knobs loosely threaded onto carriage bolts located on the other side of the plate. The heads of these carriage bolts should be inserted into the round opening at the end of the mounting slot, one at a time, then moved through the slot until they rest in the desired position. Tighten the knobs to lock the side transfer plate in place. We will now temporarily merge our conveyors, lifting the conveyor with the side transfer plate and moving it so the transfer plate links both ends, as shown here. With the side transfer plate in place, we can prepare to attach the adjustable side transfer gate system. Both sides of the adjustable gate are mounted to the conveyor via the gate brackets, shown here. Remove the brackets from the adjustable gate by removing the nut and washer holding them in place, like so. Refasten the nut and washer onto the bolt in the side transfer gate. Set these brackets aside for now. The adjustable gate will look something like this when it is installed on your conveyor. Position your gate similarly, using your containers to make small adjustments. Now that we know approximately where the gate will be, we know where the brackets should be as well. Use tape or a non-permanent marker to mark the conveyor at these slots in the adjustable gate. Separate your conveyors once more. We can now install the brackets at the marks we made. The adjustable gate brackets feature the same knob system as the side transfer plate, and they are mounted the same way. Push the heads of the carriage bolts through the slots in the side of your conveyor like so. Slide the bolt through the slot and tighten the knob when you've reached the desired location. The brackets should face out and away from the conveyor. With the brackets installed, we can merge the conveyors once more. The gate can now be reattached to the brackets. Remove the nut and washer from the transfer gate and use them to refasten the bolt through the slot in the bracket, keeping them finger tight for now. This is an adjustable system, and loosening the nut beneath the gate and bracket allows the bolts to easily travel along these slots. You may also need to slightly move your brackets away from the marks you made for a perfect fit. Finish installing the gate this way. Be prepared to make small adjustments to your bracket placement. Adjust the height of the gate by loosening the bracket knobs and lowering their placement, so the gate sits at approximately the halfway point of your container, as this is the most stable point of contact for the gate. When you are happy with the way you've adjusted your gate, lock it in place using the 1/4-inch hex key and 13mm wrench to tighten the socket head cap screws and nuts that you finger tightened. Next, install guide rail brackets along the empty sections of your conveyor, as shown here. Attach your guide rails to the brackets, pushing them through the adjustable gate transfer system to the end of the conveyor. Our guide rails in their current state will interfere with the flow of bottles through the transfer system and need to be modified. Make a mark at the 2 points shown here, then use a hacksaw to cut through these marks carefully and consistently. Once the guide rails have been cut, reinstall them onto the conveyor. Your adjustable conveyor-to-conveyor side transfer gate system is now set up.